With the pandemic still raging upon many countries, the fight against COVID has not seen an end yet. This means that the pharmaceutical companies still have a lot more to do till we reach back to normalcy. Keep in mind that the normalcy we mean is not the one we have right now. We do not refer to the new normalcy of wearing masks and staying 6 feet away from your dearest ones. What we mean is the same situation we had a couple of years back, when we could gather and make an instant decision to plan trips without worrying about the state restrictions. Well, we're not sure when things will go back to that level, but we have some companies working behind this and many other issues. Keen to know which company we're speaking about? Then stay tuned here to learn more about it. As an investor, you are constantly looking for undervalued stocks, or in other words, stocks that trade at a price below their intrinsic value. But is it possible to determine whether the stock market as a whole is overvalued? Sure, this is possible, and there are several ways to approach this. Hello future billionaires, and welcome back to a brand new video of Penny Stock Lifestyle, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Today we'll be speaking about Tonix Pharmaceuticals with the ticker symbol TNXP that has been gaining a bit of attention very recently. This company is currently pursuing its study on fibromyalgia. For those who do not know exactly what it is, let us explain it to you. Fibromyalgia is a disorder characterized by fatigue, sleep, memory loss and severe mood issues. The researchers also believe that this disease can amplify the painful experiences by directly affecting your brain and spinal cord. The process is excruciating and requires some extreme medications, including heavy doses of painkillers that add to the fatigue and sleepiness. This company is very aggressive in its approach to fibromyalgia and is dead set on finding medicine to cure or relieve a bit of the pain for the patients who are going through the same. The disease causes pain all over the body and has an extreme effect on people of all age groups. People who have fibromyalgia may feel a lot more pain inflicted through the same cause than a person without the disease. This is why the disease is considered extremely dangerous, maybe not for the person's life, but the quality of life they have to live with. The abnormal pain that the body faces is not proportional to the injury a person suffers from. In a comprehensive manner, we can say that the disease harms the brain, the spinal cord, and other sensory receptors that are responsible for accessing and transmitting the feeling of pain within a person. This disease affects around 4 million adults in the United States. Globally, this disease affects about 2% of the entire adult population on Earth. This means that this disease is not rare to people and therefore makes another reason for us to develop medicine or a cure of any sort for the same. The cause of this disease is still not clear to human beings, even though the disease can be treated or managed by us in the long term. There are very few companies that are looking forward to finding a better solution to this disease. One of the very few companies to do so is the TNXP. This is what makes this stock very special. It is also imperative to understand that once they find the perfect remedy to this disease, their sales and prices will go really high. Let us see what chances we have of seeing that happening. As this happens, we'll also see a lot of other companies looking to start working on the same. However, the matter will all start with this company, making it much more profitable than all the others in the row. The current prices of this stock are $1.16 and have seen a bit of a decline from what it was in February. The stocks are really affordable at the moment, and for the purpose this company has, we think it has a very bright future. For certain, a company that could reach the Phase 3 trials and awaits the FDA approval will come up with an alternative even if it fails the first time. If this company reaches this stage to accomplish something that no one else has been able to yet, we are in for a lot more changes very soon. In fact, the real value of this stock is much less than the prices are at the moment. The reason behind this is the amount of research that has been going on to find the perfect cure for fibromyalgia. Since this company is one of the very few companies, perhaps the only company looking into fibromyalgia, it is left with no other precedents and will undoubtedly have to go through the entire hits and trial all by itself. This is why the costs are much higher than the real value of the stock, which is completely normal for any company doing anything as unique as they are, especially in the pharmaceutical industry. The company recently missed 3 cents of earnings last month, This is the most crucial factor in determining the cost of shares of any company. This means that for a company that is making money, we will see a lot of investors ready to back them off. However, in case the company misses it, we will see a drop in the investors, making it less attractive. Given the purpose of this company, we cannot expect to see through the success the very first time. There certainly is a reason why no other company is researching and trying to develop a cure for fibromyalgia, and the reason is the complexity. Knowing that there are very few chances that we will see the sun shining through the very first attempt we make. Very recently, that is on March 15, 2021, we did see positive Phase 3 relief study results for TNX102SL, which is the cure that the company recently came out with. This means that the company does have a good management strategy for the disease, and the medicine they provided for testing does seem like it's working. However, it is not the time yet to approve it. This certainly is a positive indication towards the success that this company could positively see. We'll also see a spike of around 5.34% if it does get approved by the FDA. Furthermore, this company also achieved a 50% enrollment in Rally, which is the second Phase 3 study of TNX102SL for fibromyalgia management. As we know, there is no cure yet for this disease. If this company becomes the first one to get approved to produce the treatment of a disease, the chances are that the stocks for this company will start skyrocketing. The primary issue that the people suffering from this disease face is pain management. With this cure, they will be able to manage the pain more effectively and will be equivalent to life itself for them. The latest drug that this company has could act as a significant catalyst to the prices of this stock. This is exactly what all the investors must be looking at. Before we proceed further, if you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Have you found this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued penny stocks in the market right now. Let us get back into the video. There has been a drug in its pipeline that did not go through the clinical trials. Under normal circumstances, a failure of that sort could mean the company's end. However, this company could continue working and bounce back into the business. The reason why they could cope up was the presence of other drugs that have already been approved and were in production. This tells us how well the company is managed by the top levels and the manner in which the entire thing is planned. They have cures for migraines, cocaine intoxication, the current most important COVID-19 vaccine, post-traumatic stress disorder, and so on. The very fact that they have the vaccine in their pipeline suggests that they do have enough momentum to keep them alive till the results of the Phase 3 trials surface. And even if the trials fail, the company has enough juice within it to continue its operation and not collapse. The money being put into research and development is extremely high, which becomes the reason for the lesser value it has. The stock has a lot more potential than it's at right now. With the approval from the FDA, we could see the prices going up immensely and bringing a lot more profits for all investors. The very aim of bringing out a cure for fibromyalgia is in itself something really impressive. Once the pain management is achieved, this stock will see new heights. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you did take a lot of information back home. Stay tuned on this channel for more such videos by leaving us a like and subscribing to the channel. Till we meet again, let us know what your point of view on this stock is.